Greetings friends, I have something cool to show you. The Merkur 34C Anniversary Edition, Limited Edition, Merkur Stahlwaren, right there. SG650, 650 years of Solingen. Anniversary. From 1374 to 2024, 650 years, that's how old Solingen is. And that's where Merkur razors are made. They did this razor as a special collector's item. Each one is numbered. This is number 86 of 650. Let's remove the sleeve, open it up. Nice gift box. Little orange wrapper. Goes along with their coloring, their branding. Here's a certificate of authenticity right here. Again, has the number on that as well. Comes with a 10-pack of Merkur blades. And these are made in CZ. Not made in Germany, but made in CZ. Czech Republic. Here is the razor. It's got a beautiful black leather sleeve, minimalist sized, not very big. This is a really handsome black leather case. Also has SG650 right there on the top of the cover. So it's a tongue type, you just slide it under. It holds it very well in place. And the razor, really tight in there. You gotta fight with it to get it out. So just be careful. It's in there very tight. It's not going to bounce around in there at all. And here it is. The Merkur SG650 Solingen razor. The workhorse of the industry, I like to call it. But this is the collector's item version. Around the bottom band, it says Merkur Solingen. Right here. And then here's the SG650 commemoration up on top. Let's remove the top cap. It's a two-piece razor. So you just spin the dial, top cap pops right off. Let's reinstall it. I'll show you where the serial number is on the razor. I was in a state of dismay at first. I couldn't find any numbering on the razor. And I thought, what kind of a collector's item is that if it doesn't have a number inscribed directly on the razor? But here it is, right here. You may not be able to make that out. It is very small. Right there, it has the inscription laser etched. Like I said, it's 86 of 650, this one. So each one is numbered from 1 to 650. You can make it out right there. So if you're a collector, this would be a nice purchase for you. Something to hold on to and savor and not use, or something to shave with every day. If you want to pick one up, go to shavenation.com. Enter SG650 in the search box. It'll pop right up. You can choose your number, which number out of 650 from the available ones that we have on hand. Just scroll down, choose a number, you're good to go. Get yours at shavenation.com.
Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.